Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn on in-app sounds on Skype. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Skype app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on settings. Then tap on notifications. Next, scroll until you find in-app sounds. After that, turn on it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can turn on in-app sounds on Skype. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.